Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you what you can make with a wooden block and a chalk marker. Now that's all you need is to make this little project here. Really easy to make. Now I love this idea because that you can put your own whatever you want to put on there. Mine's festive at the moment, but you can rub it and it won't come off. And so when you want to use the piece of wood again, you just get some warm soapy water, wash whatever you've made, say at Christmas time, and then you can do like for Easter, and you can put Easter eggs on there, or bunny rabbits and things like that. For the spring you can put like feathers and things. For the autumn you could put leaves on there as well, which would be really nice. But if you want to know how I made these Christmas ones, keep watching and I'll show you how to make them. Right, first we've got our nice piece of wood and we've just got a chalk marker. Now I absolutely love these because I mark everything with these because it's easy to rub out, and with these you can make something, you can rub over it, it's fine, but if you want to get rid of the image you can just wash it down and it's gone, and then you can create something new. So I'm just going to draw part of a dandelion, the wish part, as I used to say to my mum. Oh, can I have one of those wish ones? Now I'm going to draw a Christmas ball on this one. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this little project. It's really easy and cheap and simple to do. If you've got any things that you would like me to make, then you can leave that in the comment. You might want me to make some more stars or make something else. Yeah, so leave that in the comments below. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I make my next creation.